Hi guys, so today in this video I wanted to talk to you on how I changed my appearance, outer look. So last year I lost weight around 10 kilograms. So last year I had gained so much weight, and just like energy wise I used to be like really tired, and also mentally I was in a like really weak space. And so I did a like weight loss last year, and I went to gym for 3 months and also ate healthy and also read a lot of books. And I just like changed my eating habits, and I got this diet that I had that I eat more protein. Also I limit the sugar and also pastries. And so I changed my diet into eating more vegetables and fresh fruits and also protein. Yeah. So I also went to gym and to just like doing a cardio and also plus workout. And I'll put in some footages of mine that I'm working out at the gym. So I had lost 10 kilograms, and also I went to gym for 3 months. So it really helped me to change my habits into more healthy and more active habits last year. So just like appearance wise, losing like 10 kilograms really changed how I look in terms of my like face shape and also my body. And yeah, so I always wanted to like lose weight in like 5 to 10 kilograms, but I used to like always like gain it back. So this time I did like a lot of workout at the gym, and also I think I got like a little bit of muscle in my body, so looks like I had lost like more weight than 10 kilograms. And also second thing is I about my skincare, I went to see a dermatologist because I've been struggling with this cystic acne for years now, and it just like disappears and like reappears from time to time, like cystic acne. So it really like affected my self-confidence. So I tried to like solve it once and for all. So I decided to see a dermatologist last year, and yeah, I got a like treatment for it, and now it's like so much better. And about skin, I think the most important thing for the skin health is just like eating the right food for your skin, and just like not eating too much sugar and not too much spicy food to maintain your skin health. So I thought this was like really important because for this I used to like not watch my diet in terms of my skin health. So I want to have like clear skin. I want to like have this skin health maintained, but I needed to change my diet again. So I decided to not eat this spicy food anymore and not this too much sugar and like carbohydrates to maintain my skin health. And I decided to drink a lot of water to hydrate my skin from inside. And skin wise, I think for the skincare is the most important thing is that light is the most contributor for your skin health. And cleansing and also skincare products can help, but also you need to also do the diet change for the skin. So makeup is the one thing that I learned last year. Before this, I used to only just like apply foundation and also just like draw my eyebrow, and that was it. But now I learned to like make full makeup like on my face, and I learned it from YouTube. And just like one thing is just like try to practice more, and just like practice on your face so that you can learn how to do makeup. So before this, I used to just like watch videos, and it really didn't help me to like do my own makeup. And I tried doing my own makeup several times, and I think it got like a little bit better, and I'm still learning. Right. Third thing is haircut. So I got this haircut inspiration from this IG, and I think everyone knows about the butterfly cut that was like trendy last year. And I wanted to try that haircut, and I searched for this like hairdresser, and I went to her to make like appointment, and I got haircut from her. After 6 months, I need to get like haircut again, but I couldn't meet that hairdresser. And also choosing your haircut, like choosing your suitable haircut for you is I think also important for like glow up, and if you want to change your appearance. Or also the last thing is the most important thing is that to just like organize my thoughts. Like organizing my thoughts really helped me to do all these things to like take care of myself. That I journaled my thoughts, and just like writing a journal entries, like journaling really helped me a lot to organize my thoughts, and just like observe my thoughts, like what are my thoughts, what am I thinking, and what am I trying to do, and what my goals are. So in terms of trying to like get my mind together, I always journal on my notebook, and just like challenge my thoughts, and just like validating my thoughts and organizing my thoughts. I think this can me like take control of thoughts in my life. Fear of like failure, like fear of judgment, I would just write. And if there's like fears of me, I would just write. And yeah, I try to like face my fears more. Our mind can like make immediately like beliefs of our limiting belief. So even making like making YouTube video, I sometimes like I had this limiting beliefs of like why bother doing this, like I have like this like self-confidence thoughts, but I write it in my notebook and still like try to like challenge these thoughts, and also how to overcome it in a positive way. And yeah, so also being consistent with your goal, being consistent. So I think discipline is some form of self-love, and I'm doing this like out of love for myself. So by disciplining myself, like by having a consistency and having a discipline for a thing that I want to reach, I have this I developed this mindset that being strong for the thing that I want to do. So journaling my thoughts, and also being consistent on what I'm trying to do is like really helped me a lot to organize my thoughts, and to just have like mental glow up. Yeah, that was it. That was all from my end, and thanks for watching my video, and I hope this was helpful to you. And yeah, thank you.